is that? Oh no. Oh no. Good morning, my girls.
I'm going to market.
What are you doing? What's that smell? Pancake? Where's Naira? You never sleep? Wow, nice. Someone is busy in there. Bye-bye.
Let's try my birthday pancake. Wow, nice. This is Iris made for me. Thank you, Iris. This one cream cheese.
Yeah, Naira asked me food.
Yeah, nice. Come, let's eat so many. Take two only.
Meron pa dito.
It's okay. Let's make sour. You see my setup? So nice. Yum. Why your pancake is like green?
May blueberry inside.
Oh.
Blueberry pancake. Sarap! Very nice. Masarap pa sa shop. So nice. Pero make your coffee. Pero patayin kami sa decoration. What coffee? Meron doon. Capsule.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mama. This is from your 2 daughters. And we love you so much. And I hope you have an amazing, amazing, amazing birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, ready? Kung tayo ay
Matanda na, sana'y di tayo mabago. Kailanman, nasan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kayang ako'y hanggang ngayong gabi? Hanggang pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Hi guys! Ayan, dahil birthday ko, magluto tayo ng spaghetti. Ayan, nagluto ako ng 3 box of 400 grams. 400 grams ba to? 500 grams. Let me check. Is how many grams? 500 grams. So 1,500 grams. 1.5 kg. Ang lulutuin natin. Ayan. Gagamitan natin siya ng Pinoy style. Apparently, overfloating siya sa ating pot. Ayan, konti na lang. Maluluto na rin naman siya. So, ayan guys. Dahil nag-invite ako, I'm gonna hosting my own birthday. Ayan, I invite some of my close friends. Yeah, they will come later. So, let's prepare. I think okay na to. Let's check. Yeah, okay na siya. Guys, na-drain na natin ang ating pasta. I-drizzle lang natin siya ng olive oil or oil. Yan, para maganda yung consistent niya later. Hindi siya magdidikit-dikit habang mainit pa. You know, I'm working in Sicilia, Italian restaurant. So, we used to do like this also. The pasta, we will cook in 6 minutes. After putting the water, hot boiling water, need to wait 6 minutes para ma-achieve yung al dente. al dente pasta. Ayan. So, ganyan na siya.
So guys, ayan, next na nga natin ang ating spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce. So, ang ginawa ko, mix ko yung meat and chicken para mas yummy. Ayan, yung chicken niya, nagcha-chunky-chunky siya, kaya kailangan natin i-saute ng a little bit longer. At saka madami yan. Half kg, total 1 kg of meat. So, enough na yan for the 1.5 kg of pasta. Ayan, and then we're gonna use this. Usually, this one for serving for 1 kg. Correct yan. Mag-over pa yan kasi bali 2 kg yan. So, yeah, let's do this. My husband went to market to buy some beef and flowers for the table setup. And I'm gonna show you the setup here. This is my kids do. Just now when I wake up, I so surprised because so nice. And then they make for me pancake, blueberry pancake. Just now I take photo. And this is the buffet setup for later. Gonna present our food here, and we are ready to serve like that. So let's do this. Happy birthday to me +1. I'm 47 years old, thankful and grateful for all of my life and for all my loved ones. Ayan. Let's do this. Chicken is grilling. Beef is cooking. Pasta sauce is ready. And dynamite is cooking. Dynamite. Spaghetti beef. Sa baba, sa may stairs. This is my handa, spaghetti. Dito may beef, black pepper, rice naman dito, chicken grilled, cereal prawn, calamari, and dynamite. So here, we're gonna have leche plan here, toron, and we're gonna have something cut cake here for later. Oh, yan. Tikman mo yan. Sumabog. Tignan mo. Pero masarap naman, sabi ni Najib. Okay na yan. Sumabog nga. Sinabi ko sa'yo. Binalot ko lang.
Kuha yung chismisan nyo. Kuya, rice.
Happy birthday, Moni.
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me. The food is very delicious. And this is morning special dish.
Yay. What's that?
So we have only so it's Malay and Philippines. So we
Yeah.
have Philippine and Malay.
Malay, Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh. You know ah. Healer yan. Mamaya pa yan. O, dyan ka na, te. Ate, mag-rice? Okay.
Picture ba yan?
Hindi, video. Video. Mahihain pala si Hillary.
Chinese song na na.
Chinese song, Chinese song. Paparazzi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy Oh, family photo. Happy birthday, Guys, unboxing. Unbox muna ako habang naghihintay. Ay! Another iPhone 17 Pro Max casing gold, in gold. Alam na alam, gold and favorite. And then, this Ulan G1. Maganda to. Stand na, very compact. May charger na ako. Nung nag-ano ko ng phone, kasama na siya. Kapri na. Parang di naman din, kaya hindi naman nagamit. Hindi naman nagamit. Kaya nga, saki lang. Ang ganda. I love the quality. Maganda to kasi very handy siya. Tripod siya na. Very handy. Pwede mo siyang i-hang sa bag mo. And you see how magnetic. Woo! Napaka-sticky ng magnet niya. And then, you can stand like that. Can I try your phone? Nagmamagnet nito? Walang mouse. Pero pwede siya magmagnet. Kaya lang hindi masyado. Wala siyang ano, wala siyang mag-safe na mag-safe. Ayan, maganda siya kasi sturdy talaga. Tapos di ba, pag nasa restaurant ka, very handy. Tapos pwede mong i-stand. Pwede rin kang i-stand. Paano ba ito? Alin? Grabe yung magnet nito. Sobrang ano. Yung tripod lang naman. Ah, ganyan. Oh, wow, ang cute. Ang cute. Super cute. Thank you, Jack. I love it. Ha? May nagsiselos. Unbox ko rin daw.